Okay, so I'm taking that was the fourth pipe we've now seen this time. Obviously this is now a different pipe we've just seen this time. So as you can see this time, this was pipe PA-28-R-201, that was this time. This time we've seen that one apparently. As this is the fourth pipe we've now seen, which is this is now pipe PA-28-R-201, that was. And the rate for that one is G-BYHJ, that is. So yeah, that's the rage, G-BYHJ, that was. Obviously this is where it doesn't have the wheel skids down, but this is the one with the wheel skids up. As this is where it flies over. This is where it has with the wheel skids up, apparently. So as you can see here, the height flew now was about probably just under 19,000 feet. So as you can see here though, this is where we first saw it though, as he was aiming at. Yeah, so as you can see here, it came out 1875 feet. Then over from the distance, he was about 1950 feet. So let's have a look where it's come from. Looks as if he might have roughly come from, looks like he might have taken off at St Mary's Airport at 5:23, but I think that wasn't the time it took off. Yeah, as you see, this is where it might have took off from, St Mary's Airport. Yeah, this just took off at obviously St Mary's Airport. This is where it took off from. Obviously, then that number plate here I've not seen before though. As you can see here, there's also a private owner. You can see it's going from Harbour City to North Able, which obviously that plane I've not seen before though. But obviously, it's got the same rate, G-BYHJ. And then here it did say that it's probably operated by this one here, BC Feet Aero Club, by the looks of it. That's the one with the wheel skids up apparently. This is one of the Piper PA-28-R-200s, they have the wheel skids up apparently. Whereas the other one we saw earlier on, that had the wheel skids down apparently. Mostly we see the ones with the wheel skids down anyway. But that's probably looks as if now that's travelling back to its base by the looks of it. So yeah, so this is the fourth pipe plane we've just seen this time, which is this one. It's just now this one here we've just seen. Lucky enough, it's just now this one we've just seen. Okay, so thanks for watching, bye bye.